How to connect SafePal Wallet to Uniswap. Are you facing issues to connect SafePal Wallet to Uniswap application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To connect SafePal Wallet to Uniswap, open the SafePal application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, tap on the tab browser at the bottom of your screen. Once you open the tab browser, in the search bar, type Uniswap and open the official site. Make sure it starts with http app.uniswap.org. Once the page loads up, tap on the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. From the list of wallet options, choose Wallet Connect. SafePal will instantly show a pop-up asking for your permission to connect. Tap Connect and your wallet will be linked to Uniswap. Now, you can easily swap Ethereum-based tokens directly to the app. And if you are not sure how to connect any of these steps, make sure to check out other videos in this channel for full guidance. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to connect SafePal Wallet to Uniswap. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.